Well, got a real quick update for you, and it's going to be real quick. I got home from New Mexico last night at 9 p.m. because flight out of Dallas was an hour late. 100 feet off the runway in Austin, they pulled the gear and the flaps back up and went to San Antonio because of weather. Maybe I'll stick that into the video. The clear blue sky, partly cloudy sky that caused us to divert to San Antonio. Ended up getting back home 3 hours late, about 9 p.m. And now I've got to leave for the airport at 6 p.m. today. So I'm home less than 24 hours. So quick update, turn the camera. A bunch of crap came in while I was gone. This is mostly, I don't even know what all of it is. It's I ordered some equipment racks and stuff to put in the control room. There's an Emotiva Base X that was off for warranty repair that came back. There's another XPA that came in that's going to be driving the center speaker and the surrounds. It's 7 modules with the stereo module, so it's 14 channels. And then there is actually an update. I basically just came home for a dentist appointment. That's why I'm going back right away. But while I was out and about, those are XPA boxes from the 2 that came in that are already in the room that you saw in the last update. But while I left the dentist office, went over to A&B TV here in Austin and brought home this. So maybe I'll try to unbox it here in a minute and add that to this video. But I'm only a few hours away from the taxi picking me up to go to the airport. But anyway, that's the update for today, and we'll see if we can unbox it. Okay, we're going to do the unboxing. I actually put the phone on a tripod so you can watch this. Well, we can cut this. I don't think I've ever done an actual unboxing video. And of course there's another box. Okay, get rid of this before I cut myself with it. First, we have whatever this is. It looks like you got very nice remote control in here, and we've got probably a blip. Looks like there's an AM antenna in there, so you've seen AM antennas before. What else is there? Looks like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth antennas. So we'll need to put this away or we'll end up losing it. So I'll put it somewhere where I can find it. So maybe just right over here. And then it looks like we have power cord. And then we have the beast itself. What is this? Odyssey. This microphone for sound calibration. We won't really need that because I have a much better microphone than that. So I think I'm going to set this down on the floor and pull it out. Okay. Wow, this thing is a beast. So, got it all wrapped up nice and neat. Not the best place to be sitting that maybe. It's going to have to do for now. Place is a mess. And I don't know if I can put these two together and do a better job of holding that. Maybe. And there it is. Stuck all this back in the box. Set the box aside with all the other boxes that are piling up all over the place here. But they don't have time to do anything. And we'll pull the phone off the tripod. You know, I've got all these nice cameras. We've got a Sony A7R II and an A7S III and I think it's an NX80 or something camcorder, and yet I always just do this with the phone. So there it is. That definitely looks nice. And then I guess looks like we've got some tape on here. Oh yeah, that's definitely going to be nicer, I think, than my old Anthem AV10 So let's go around here to the back. And yeah, we got plenty of connections there. So unfortunately, I don't really have time to do much more of a video. Hopefully next trip home I'll have more time, but got a crisis that I got to go back to in New Mexico that we've been dealing with for a while, and it's just about wrapped up, but I had to come back for this dentist appointment. It had already been delayed a couple of times. So, but anyway, don't really have much more of an update. Still haven't finished rebuilding the controller for the CNC. It's some of the parts for that, but CNC's down right now, so I need to get that up and running so I can build the rear speakers and the Atmos speakers. But that's it for today. The new toy is the Marantz AV10, and I'm looking forward to getting that set up, but got to go to New Mexico and then probably Sunday back out to Oregon to do an upgrade on a machine. That'll take probably 3 or 4 weeks, so it'll probably be another month before I'm home again. Hopefully I'll have more than a day. I mean, this time I'm literally less than 24 hours at home. I got home at 9 p.m. yesterday and leaving at 6 p.m. today. So what's that, 21 hours at home, and that's it. So anyway, that's the update.